Hello and assalamu alaikum guys. I hope you're doing good. Normally I don't create such kind of scholarship videos on my channel, but there are so many people, they entered into the second stage of Open Door Olympiad Scholarship in Russia, and they're asking questions, a lot of questions about uploading files in second stage after completing their second stage exam. So I thought I can make a detailed video about it so that everybody can get the idea how to upload files. There are two different methods. One is you can use a pen and a paper, and make sure you're using just a paper, not like a notebook like this one. Just you can put anything under this paper to make it harder, like a hard surface, and then use one paper and pen and then write the answer to any question. For example, question number 10 needs pen and paper, and you are solving on that paper. But the real problem is whenever somebody is writing on paper and the instructions written in this file, for example, in this file, you will see the instructions are written like, okay, you can upload Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint, and you can upload other files as well, and uploading file with the solutions and everything. But whenever you go to your profile here you will see that there is only one option. Either you can upload a PDF or a JPG or PNG. So what you need to do to meet the requirement, you can create a document in Excel, PowerPoint, or any other file format that is given according to your subject. This is your subject list, and according to your subject, you prepare the file during exam. It could be Microsoft Office, Word, Excel, anything, or it could be a pen and a paper. So after that, you will be given 30 minutes to upload this file. And so many people saying like, okay, can I use a mobile phone during that time? No. During the exam, you can't use any other external devices, but after the exam, you will be given 30 minutes to upload your files. For example, you have a solution based on pen and paper, then you will be given 30 minutes to upload that one. And if you have anything like an Excel or a PowerPoint, once again, you can upload that file in those 30 minutes as well. So at that time, you can use any device. You can stand, walk along around the room, do anything, because you are not in a physical exam at that time. So in those 30 minutes, you can use your phone to scan, or you can use any other device to scan those documents and then make a PDF and upload. So the real thing is here they ask you to create a Word file or Excel file, but in here they ask you to upload PDF. So what you need to do, I'll guide you step by step how to do that. I will pass this test session for the second stage as a demo and upload a file like this one. All right, so let's get to the screen here, and I'm gonna do so. First of all, your exam will like that. This is the countdown time for my exam. My exam is tomorrow. I'm applying for PhD. So once you are all set, your exam starts, and you just need to sit right in front of your camera. My camera is here. You can't see my camera. One is there, one is here. You just need to sit here in front of camera and make the good position, make the good lighting setup, and then hold a pen and paper. And at the beginning, you show your passport like this one on camera, and then you start your test. Once you start your test, place the paper and pen here at the start, and it will ask you like this one. All right, now it will start the screen sharing. So many people are even talking about I can share the multiple screens or not. My MacBook is there top, and here you can see two screens. So I can share the screens. Screen one is this one and screen two is there. So I will share only one screen. Don't worry if you have multiple displays. So just share the screen you want, because I can have like my one LED is there. It was connected here. I took it off just for tomorrow's exam. So just use the screen you want to share and go to share. Now microphone is recording my voice, and the web camera is there because I am connected to that webcam now. In the corner, you can see there is a bottom left corner. There is a small camera because I'm using this camera here. If I click on yes and start the test, share the screen again, go to sharing, and you entered into the exam. And here you will see the time, total time for your real exam. And now there are some questions. Let's say I'm gonna answer to the first question. There are 7 wonders. Keep answering. And here is the bear is a mammal. And here is the question. Here you will need the pen or a paper or a Word file. For example, I solve this question number 3. I write it question 3. It's a test question. Okay, I write, for example, this is the solution of my question number 3. And I have already written. Now, you write anything. For example, it's on paper. That's my answer, right? So now I need to show this on camera like that and save the answer. Now this one, you answer Moscow, go to next and calculate 6, save. All right, now once again, if it doesn't prompt you to show the solution to anything, you can do. But during this time, like if I just go back and go to question number 3, instead of a paper, you can also open Word file like so and solve this question. For example, question number 3. Here is the test answer to question 3. This could be the solution to question number 3. So you solve either on the Word document, or if you can't write the equations or there are so many formulas you can't write here, or maybe in the Excel file, then write it here, right? Like it's okay, Word file or Excel file, because you are given the chance to write anything in Excel, in Microsoft PowerPoint, or in Microsoft Word. There are different subjects here, and you can write anything according to your subject in your Word document or Excel document. Don't worry. And if that's not the choice, then use the paper. And here you can answer about this question, and you have this Word file here. Once you're done, question number 5, now just go to save the answers. Complete the test, and here you have to wait for 10 seconds, and here you can show this one like that. Again, if it doesn't prompt, you just show it, or you just show the Word file like so. And once you are done, now at this stage you can use your phone. All right, open your phone like this one, because you already completed your exam. Now you can use your phone, and what you need to do, just open your phone like and take a photo. Okay, my phone is dead. All right, open this one, take a scan from your photo like that. I'm gonna do it roughly, and now I will share this photo to my MacBook, because you will be given 30 minutes for that. Just share. All right, I got this photo here. Now what I need to do, there is one way. The first way is you created a Word file, for example. Then just go to File, Save As, and here you save as a PDF. Choose the file format, save as PDF, and test question. Right? Export. But if you did not create an Excel or PowerPoint or Microsoft Word file, then you got this solution on your photo. So import this scan to your Microsoft Word document like that, and center it or do the basic adjustment, and go to File again and Save As. I'm gonna save again one, and PDF. All right, export. Open your browser here, and here are 2 different things. Here it asks you to attach a file, and the file format is PDF, JPG, PNG. But you were so much confused about this one. They ask you to Excel, PowerPoint, but here they ask you to only upload PDF, JPG, or PNG. So the real story begins here. Here you need to convert that file, no matter you created Excel or PowerPoint or whatever, just simply convert that file into PDF or JPG or PNG and then upload. Uncheck this option, and here is the answer number 3 that requires a file. So go ahead, and here is our file. You can upload directly like a PNG or JPG, or you can upload the PDF. I choose the PDF here, and it will be uploaded like so. Now here is a file. It's called PDF, and that is answer to question number 3. For example, you have this PDF for question number 5, then it will be here under question number 5. Upload it under question number 5 or question number 1, whatsoever, whatever place they ask you to upload, then go ahead and upload and then hit on complete. You can have multiple papers like this and multiple PDFs. So just go ahead, press on complete. It will prompt you like this one, and hit on OK. You are good to go. You are done. That's simple, guys. And I think I have tried to explain my best. And if you have any questions, you can ask here in the chat. Liking this video is completely free. And yeah, good luck. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.